Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video will be an unboxing video. So of course I have a box from Influenster. Okay. So Influencer is just like a place where you kind of go in and you see what you've already probably used before and you just review it so that other people can base their purchases and opinions on what you bought. Also, they do have an option where you can, if you get so many, I guess points, I guess, or get so many reviews down that you can get free things sent to you for review. So, and they also, they ask you questions like what you're interested in, and do you have kids, and allergic, or what you have used and what you prefer, especially like beauty items and hair items, stuff like that. So I'm not really sure what's in this box, but it sounds like rice or something, because this is falling out everywhere. So let's open this really quick. Oh shoot. Oh dang. So this is what's in the box. So I guess all of the Epsom salt came out. Pretty cool though. So you have Jacuzzi Epsom salt. This is the lavender flavor right here. It has the benefits of it. It softens skin, relieves stress, moves sore muscles, recovery from physical activity. So this would be good, especially if you work out or you work where you have to be on your feet for a long time, especially like customer service or retail. After a long day's work, you can just sprinkle this in your bath and your muscles can be relieved. And this is lavender flavor. It smells pretty good though. Even though I'm sick, I can really smell it. And I love the aesthetic right here. It kind of looks like crystals. It looks so cute. Oh God, it's in everything. This is a bad idea. Oh my God. It's literally in everything. This is crazy. Okay. Jesus. Okay. So this is the Twinings. Jesus. The Twinings lemon ginger tea, herbal tea. And it's a trial pack, and it comes with 4 individual tea bags. It says a comforting herbal tea made with spicy ginger and a tangy flavor of lemon. And I probably won't be able to use any of these products because I don't know if this is the Epsom salt or the rice that's in here. And if it's Epsom salt, I'm not gonna eat if it's Epsom salt, and I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so next I got some hair products, and I got this in, I used this stuff before. The Eva NYC, the therapy session hair mask. And it has cannabis protein, argan oil, deep conditions, repairs, and strengthens for all hair types. This is a hair mask. And I also, from them, I got the Eva NYC Made Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil, sunflower seed for all hair types. I'm not really sure how you use a hair primer. I guess you would use it before and after. It don't really say. But they do. They smell real good. So I got that. So I've also got this before in the Vox box. This is the Vera Wang fragrance. This is in Margot and Gardenia. And this does smell pretty good. I've used this before for sure. Oh, this is some rice. Next is the Boil in the Bag Quinoa Tricolor Rice. It comes in 4 bags. And it's non-GMO, good source of fiber, of course. It's whole grain. And it also has recipes on the back where you could pick from if you don't have any idea of how to use quinoa tricolor rice. So you can use it in a apple breakfast quinoa or quinoa like bowl, like Chipotle bowl-esque thing. So that's pretty cool. Oh, also a dinner idea right here at the bottom. So like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, I like that. I like that idea. Gotta keep it from falling out. And it also comes with a coupon for the Twinings tea. So $1 off any Twinings tea. And this is a manufacturer coupon, so you can use this anywhere. Also, Eva NYC coupon is $3 off. Well, yeah, $3 off any one Eva hair product. And this is specifically for Ulta. And it's only valid in store. And here is the card that you get for the, oh, it's the Mom Life Vox box. Okay, that's cute. Okay, that makes sense. So, Mom Life, you know, Epsom salt after a long day work, you gotta work, come home, be with your kids. So, Epsom salt, you know, hair mask and stuff, Vera Wang, did you smell it good? And the food for, you know, you long day work, you come home, you don't know what to cook, just throw some veggies and some quinoa together, and you got a meal for the kids and some ginger lemon tea to wind down. So it just shows you everything that you got in your box, which is going to be on the left hand side of it, and the right hand side is just tell you the prices. Also, when you post your box, it tells you what to tag, who to tag, and what to hashtag also, which I think is pretty cool. So you will, because sometimes I'm like, what am I supposed to be tagging? Who am I supposed to tag? And that makes it a lot easier, which I really like. And then, of course, it shows you at the bottom what to do. Log into your profile, check in your box, post a review, and don't forget to use your social using Mom Life Vox box. So that is it, and I'm really impressed by my Vox box this month. I'm a little upset about this rice situation. I wish they probably would have taped it down or something, because it's literally falling all on my bed, on my floor, and everything. But that's my only concern, but it's rice. Come on, a vacuum will clean it up. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.